Oh my god, wait, I'm going a little bit above. I'm freaking out. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys me dyeing my hair because it's quite faded. This is not a how-to because I am not a professional. This is my first time actually dyeing my hair. About 3 weeks ago, my girlfriend helped me dye my hair and I think she did a pretty good job. Unfortunately, no videos were taken during this process because I was actually terrified. She's kind of busy right now with her work and I really want to dye my hair like right now. So we're doing it by ourselves. I don't know how that's gonna go. Also, I want to cut my fringe. I'm gonna show an image over here of the hairstyle. I want to do it a little bit short. This is my tool. I don't know how well this is gonna go. So just want to fast forward to the future and let you guys know that the next following sections I forgot to turn on my microphone, and so here's a voiceover, okay? So here's what you'll need. A bowl. Here I'm saying how a ceramic one is good to avoid staining. Well, later on I find I did stain it a little. Gloves, a hair clip, a comb, cheap conditioner, lots of it, your preferred hair color, and that's it. We are ready! Whoops, I forgot to turn on the mic earlier. By the way, if you're new to this channel or new to how like Japanese bathrooms are, we actually get a mirror inside our bathroom and we have like these tiny little stools. That's what I'm sitting on. I'm just gonna brush through my whole head with this guy, okay? So I'll be right back. I'm kind of nervous, but not really. I mean, worst case scenario, just re-dye it. I'm gonna get conditioner. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. I think I'm gonna start with like half. This is how much I used last time. Oh my god. I'm using the spoon and it actually looks so appetizing. It could be a dessert. I'm gonna put 3 blobs. This is how it's looking like, guys. What could possibly go wrong? I kind of do want it to be darker. I think I'm just gonna put a bit more. What seems to be another spoonful. Oh my god, wait. I can't put these things like anywhere because they stain. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. Oh my god, why can't I just wait for her to do it? I think it's gonna go alright. I hope so. Oh. Let me just double check with my girlfriend that she's not busy and if she can help me. Oh my god. So, hey guys, we're back here again. This time I have company. Wait, I got really scared. Just waited for 3 hours for my girlfriend to finish her work. Now we're here and we're about to start my hair. It's not, doesn't it look like candy? It looks like something Monster Cafe would make. Okay, let's go. Did you notice something different this time? I washed my hair. You're like supposed to wash it before dyeing.
You're gonna put that in your video.
No.
Oh, I will stop here now.
You're hired. Officially. Alright, who's going to clean after? Me.
You.
And who's going to get mad?
Me.
Should I just leave it down? Okay, so I have just washed my hair. Big reveal. It's actually not too bad at all. It is definitely a bit more pigmented than last time. So next step, let's do my fringe. Sorry about this weird angle. I literally have my tripod and my camera like on top of my sink. You know, usually they do like a triangle. What I remember my hairstylist always doing when I did want it short, he would cut just above my eyebrow. I'm terrified. Let's just do it. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh god, I'm scared. Okay, maybe a little bit more below. Oh god. Ah, my eye. Oh my god. Keep going. Just annoying because it keeps like running away. Oh my god, wait. I'm going a little bit above. I'm freaking out. Look at that. Oh my god. This is like when you start cutting your hair and like it keeps getting shorter and shorter and shorter and you're like, whoa, maybe it should be dry. Honestly, not too bad. It's not too bad though. I'm so glad I didn't carry on. Oh god. Like I don't have leveled eyebrows. I know that. I think I did a pretty good job. It's not bad, isn't it? I'm gonna dry the rest of my hair. I really think my fringe is like going up on this side and not on here. And I'm so scared to fix it. Let's go. Let's go to my girlfriend. Ami-chan. Mei tojite. Okay, 見て。
おお、いい感じ。いい
前髪は？
感じ。ああ、切ったね。
切った。
いいんじゃない？
まっすぐ？
Yeah.
And that brings me to today. This is literally how my hair turned out, and the fringe is cute. It's actually really cute. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Maybe don't try cutting your own hair, I don't know. Or if you're gonna cut your own hair, maybe at least get hair scissors. I could have like literally been bald. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!